What do you think should be done so that foster youth have access to higher quality education and are supported in academic endeavors?
Well, first, Arria, I want to commend you for being a delegate as part of this Shadow Day here on the Hill and coming from Las Vegas to really bring the perspective of other youth who've been in foster care or who've aged out, because your lived experience, your interaction, both good and bad, is what is going to help inform change. And from what I've heard from you and others, we need to do a much better job of connecting foster youth to educational, mentoring, mental health and counseling services, both while they're in foster care and in their school setting and out. And I think there are ways that we can do that in a best practice approach. And, I'm really interested in learning more about what you and others have to recommend.
What is Nevada's implementation plan towards paid mentorship programs for foster youth with lived experience, and what does that look like on a county level? So having experienced child welfare systems, there's a better understanding of what resources are out there coming from a peer-to-peer, and the biggest support there is someone who's already been through that same trial.
So the implementation is based on a federal law that was passed, and the state submitted a plan that they're now working through to implement. That's done by the state agencies. Our role was really getting the federal law passed and providing the funding to the state based on the plan that they've articulated. Again, I think from what I've learned and listened from you and others, we really should center the foster youth more specifically in this process. I know you're going into social work and you're developing a lot of skills, and to be able to share your experiences with other foster youth from kind of a peer-centered approach makes a lot of sense to me, right? Like, what you've been through, the challenges that other people are probably facing, and you can relate and you can probably help them get through the situation in a way that keeps them whole and that is in their best interest. So I think we need to listen to foster youth. We need to center your experiences in the policy and in the implementation, and that we should pay a wage that allows you to live independently, right, while also sharing your experiences through the training, the education, and your own lived experience that you've gone through.